Okay, let's get right into this. So I've got a airdrop, testnet airdrop by Exotic Markets. We haven't got long to do this. They tweeted out 6 hours ago that they are suspending their testnet in 24 hours. Um, so we've got to interact with this testnet, which is pretty simple. There's not a lot to do, but we just got to make sure we get this done before they close the testnet and hopefully get in for this airdrop. We got to hit every single airdrop we can in this ball run. No messing about. All right, so I'm going to take you through the steps. I'll leave all the links in the description. You just got to follow and get it done. All right, so let's get started. Firstly, you're going to need a Kepler wallet. I'll leave the link in the description to download the Kepler wallet. And then all you need to do is enable the injective chain so that you can get your injective contract address. Then you're going to go to the injective faucet. If mine wants to load up. Come on, come on, come on. Short on time out here. So yeah, you're gonna just paste your address, submit, get your testnet wallets on to the next. So this is the Exotic Markets testnet website. All you need to do is connect your address, make sure you're on Injective, not Solana, and then go to products. So you can do both of these products. Probably best to do both of them. And all you need to do is pick one of these APYs, doesn't matter which one, and then you're going to input the amount of tokens you want to deposit and hit confirm deposit, and that is it. That is all you've got to do on the website itself. Once you've done that, you need to go over to their Discord, get access to the Discord really quick, and then go to wallet link and hit the testnet link here and connect your wallet. And the final thing you need to do is fill in this docs form to be able to get this airdrop. Um, yeah, so yeah, you just got to put in your wallet address, Discord Discord username, Twitter handle, a few questions, and you're done. And that is literally it. Um, just make sure I haven't skipped any steps. No, that is everything. Yeah, so follow these steps. We have about 14 hours from the time of this recording to get this done. Don't waste any time. Never know, you might get a nice little juicy airdrop from this, add some liquidity to your portfolio. Exotic Markets could run in the bull run, who knows? But we want to position ourselves so that we have got every chance of making the bags, making the life changing, husband changing money.